in the end of all the practice exercises and all the explanation, I will give you the short recap of the chapter what I have taught. As you know about the voice, like what do you mean by voice? Okay, so first of all, voice क्या होता है? Voice. So voice is that form of verb. That form of verb. Voice is that form of verb in which we identify. In which we identify the doer or receiver. Okay, doer and receiver. We identify in voice, we identify that the subject is doer or the subject is receiver. The subject is doer or the subject is receiver of the action. What? Subject is doer और receiver of the action. जो action है वो किसके साथ हो रहा है? Doer के साथ और receiver. Okay, so this is called voice. And because of that, we came to a decision that we have two kinds of, or we can say we have two types of voice. The first is active voice. Okay, students, and the second one is passive voice. While talking about the active voice and passive voice, while talking about the active voice, if the doer of an action is a subject. If the doer is the subject, then it is termed as active voice. What? If the doer of an action is subject, then it will be termed as active voice. What? It is active voice. Okay, and when if the receiver of the action is subject, then it is termed as passive voice. What? It is passive voice. So this was the basic difference between that, and I have also taught you how to convert the active voice into passive voice and passive voice into active voice. And if you have any doubt in any topic, so that you can ask in the live classes itself, in the query classes. Okay, in the live classes you can ask, and we will also cover this topic widely in the live class, because it is very important, and on the point of view of grammar, it is also very important. Okay, so we will cover this chapter in the live classes itself. So I hope you have understood all things. If you have number 6, what I will give you, I will tell you about the past continuous tense, and we will match the exercise of past continuous tense. Okay, so you have to solve it. So first I will solve only one question, and I will tell you the other by just verbally. Okay, so the next is I was setting the tune for the show. I was setting the tune for the show. Okay, so I was setting the tune for the show. So how we will convert into the passive voice? So as you know, this is object, so we will convert object into subject. The tune. What? The tune. And in past continuous tense, what? Was verb will come. So the tune was. And also along with was, we have to add being in continuous. So I will add the tune was being. And we have to use third form. तीसरी form use करनी है हमको. Setting का third form क्या होगा? As you can see, set. The tune was being set for the show. By me. Okay, so as we can see, 2, 3, 4 and 5 we will do. You can also see in the screen. Who was causing so much loss to the company? By whom was the company caused so much loss? Was by whom by whom was the company caused so much of loss, so much of loss. Okay, so this was. Third one is, was he abusing you? Were you abused by her? Was he abusing you का क्या होगा? Were you being abused by her, by him? Okay, so fourth is, students were not showing appreciable results before that session. What? Students were not showing appreciable results before that session. So appreciable efforts were not shown by the students, was not being shown. What was not being? I have not written being here. Being shown by the